Hello everyone, welcome to Level Up Quiz. Shall we solve the quiz today? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and set the alarm. Let's get started.
United States. Level 4. What is the nickname of New York?
The Empire State.
Which U.S. president is associated with the New Deal?
Franklin D. Roosevelt.
Which state is known as the Centennial State?
Colorado.
Which city is known for its historical role in the Civil War and its Fort Sumter?
Charleston.
What is the tallest mountain peak in North America located in Alaska?
Denali. So far so good?
Which U.S. president is associated with the Watergate scandal?
Richard Nixon.
What is the nickname of Mississippi?
The Magnolia State.
Which state is known as the Bluegrass State?
Kentucky.
What is the nickname of Delaware?
The First State.
Which state is known as the Hoosier State?
Indiana. Cheer up.
Which U.S. president is associated with the Great Society program?
Lyndon B. Johnson.
What is the nickname of Maine?
The Pine Tree State.
Which city is known for its Space Center and Johnson Space Center?
Houston.
Which state is known as the Pelican State?
Louisiana.
What is the nickname of Vermont?
The Green Mountain State. Keep going.
Which state is known as the Peach State?
Georgia.
Which U.S. president is associated with the Treaty of Versailles?
Woodrow Wilson.
What is the nickname of North Carolina?
The Tar Heel State.
Which state is known as the Keystone State?
Pennsylvania.
Which state is known as the Mount Rushmore State?
South Dakota.
Volleyball. Level 4. What do you call a serve that results directly in a point?
Service ace.
What is the term for a legal hit in volleyball where the ball is hit forcefully into the opponent's court with a quick wrist snap?
Wrist shot.
What is the rotation direction in volleyball?
Clockwise rotation.
What do you call an illegal hit where the ball is caught or thrown?
A lift.
In volleyball, what is the term for a quick offensive play where the setter delivers the ball directly to a hitter without a set?
Quick attack. So far so good?
What type of serve has no spin and floats in the air?
Float serve.
What is the term for a legal hit in volleyball where the ball is hit with a quick downward motion using the fingertips?
Fingertip shot.
In volleyball, what is the term for a defensive play where a player uses one hand to direct the ball to a teammate?
Dump.
What is the name of the deciding set in a volleyball match?
Fifth set.
What skill is usually used for the second hit to set up an attack?
The set. Cheer up.
What is the name of the attack where the hitter jumps behind the setter?
Slide attack.
What type of block is performed by three players together?
Triple team block.
What defensive system uses players positioned in a W shape?
W serve receive.
What is the term for a legal hit in volleyball where the ball is hit with a quick wrist snap using the fingers of both hands?
Finger flick.
In volleyball, what is the term for a defensive play where a player dives to save the ball just before it hits the ground?
Pancake. Keep going.
What is the defensive action of passing a hard spike?
Digging the ball.
What is the name for a very fast set to the middle hitter?
Quick tempo set.
What is the term for a legal hit in volleyball where the ball is contacted with the fingertips of both hands simultaneously above the head?
Overhead fingertip.
What is the standard height of a volleyball net for men's competitions?
7 feet 11.625 inches.
What type of set is delivered behind the setter to the hitter?
Back set.
Weather. Level 4. What is the term for the measure of the amount of water vapor present in the air?
Humidity.
What is the layer of the atmosphere closest to the Earth's surface?
Troposphere.
What is the phenomenon where warm air is pushed up over colder air?
Frontal lifting.
What is the term for the process of air cooling as it rises and expands?
Adiabatic cooling.
What is the name for a weather phenomenon characterized by the rapid sinking of air and low humidity?
Foehn wind. So far so good?
What is the term for a violent tropical cyclone in the Western Pacific and Indian Ocean?
Typhoon.
What is the process where water is transferred from the land to the atmosphere by evaporation from the soil and other surfaces?
Evapotranspiration.
What phenomenon occurs when warm, moist air rises over a cooler surface and condenses into fog near the ground?
Radiation fog.
What phenomenon occurs when a body of water heats the air above it, causing local winds to blow from the water to the land?
Land breeze.
What is the term for a large-scale circulation pattern in the ocean that influences weather and climate?
Ocean current. Cheer up.
What is the term for the measure of the average speed and direction of the wind over a specified period of time?
Wind velocity.
What is the name for a small, intense cyclonic storm that forms over tropical oceans?
Tropical cyclone.
What is the term for the vertical movement of air due to temperature differences in the atmosphere?
Vertical motion.
What phenomenon involves the circulation of air around areas of high and low pressure in the atmosphere?
Atmospheric circulation.
Which weather instrument measures wind speed?
Anemometer. Keep going.
What type of clouds often bring steady rain or snow for an extended period?
Stratus clouds.
What do we call the weather condition that occurs when warm and cold air masses meet but do not mix?
Occluded front.
What do we call the temperature below which water droplets in the air begin to freeze?
Freezing point.
Which weather condition involves the movement of air masses from higher to lower elevations, often causing clouds and precipitation?
Orographic lift.
Which weather condition involves a large-scale circulation pattern of winds in the middle latitudes, resulting in variable weather?
Westerlies.
X-ray. Level 4. What is a fluoroscopy used to examine in real time?
Internal organs.
What is a CT scan primarily used for?
Cross-sectional images.
What does a CT scan combine with X-rays for detailed imaging?
Computer processing.
What is the key difference between X-rays and gamma rays?
Origin.
Which field of medicine uses X-rays to diagnose fractures?
Orthopedics. So far so good?
What is a common risk factor for X-ray induced damage?
Excessive exposure.
What does a pelvic X-ray examine?
Pelvis and hips.
What type of X-ray can show soft tissue injuries?
MRI.
Which part of the X-ray machine focuses the radiation beam?
Collimator.
What is the role of a radiologist in X-ray imaging?
Image interpretation. Cheer up.
What does an X-ray of the abdomen usually detect?
Obstructions.
What imaging technique uses X-rays for viewing the gastrointestinal tract?
Barium swallow.
What is the method used to enhance visibility in X-ray images?
Contrast agents.
What is a key advantage of digital X-rays over traditional X-rays?
Faster processing.
What type of medical imaging uses X-rays to visualize the heart's blood vessels?
Coronary angiography. Keep going.
What is the typical contrast material used in X-ray imaging?
Barium sulfate.
What is the difference between a plain X-ray and a CT scan?
Detail level.
What part of the body is examined using a fluoroscopy?
Digestive system.
What process uses X-rays to create detailed, layered body images?
Computed tomography.
What is an advantage of digital over film-based X-rays?
Immediate results. Congratulations! Move on to level 5. Come on.